Subscribe to Gizmo Times and get notified about our latest videos by hitting the bell icon.
Hey guys, welcome to Gizmo Times. So this is Chetan and this is the Vivo's new flagship smartphone under the V series. It's the V11 Pro, which comes with most of the features from the X series, that's the X21, though keeping the price under 30,000 rupees. So this should be one of the best phones in that price range right now. And let's talk about this with the specs and what are the best features of this phone along with the unboxing of the device. Starting with the specs itself, this phone comes with a 6.41-inch display with that tiny notch on the top, which is what the company is calling the Halo Full View display, and this comes with a 2340 into 1080 pixels of screen resolution, and this 19.5:9 aspect ratio as well, and this is the Super AMOLED display, so this might come with the best of the colors output as well. Under the hood is a Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 chipset with a 2.0 GHz of clock speed, and it comes with that AI capabilities as well. For the cameras, this phone comes with a 12+5 combination where the 12 megapixel camera comes with the f1.8 aperture and the 5MP1 for the depth sensing comes with the f2.4 aperture. And on the front is a 25 megapixel AI selfie camera that comes with the f2.0 aperture for the imaging, so all the three cameras seem to do quite well. With the battery, this comes with a 3400 mAh battery and it has the dual engine fast charge technology with the 9V two-way output for the fast charging of this device. And this has the 6GB plus 64GB variant, that is the only one that is available in India, and along with that this runs the FunTouch OS based on Android Oreo, and we expect the Android Pie update to come sooner or later. Now moving on to the unboxing of this phone. If you first see, this is the box package with the main specs given on the back, and the MRP of this device is 28,990, though the price might be a bit different from that. And this is the Starry Night version that we are reviewing. And in the box package, the first thing that you see is this transparent cover, which might still keep the looks of the back of the device even though you cover the back. And then there's this quick start guide. Then there's the SIM ejector pin and the information booklet along with the warranty card. Next is this phone, which looks pretty much beautiful with that starry black color, and this has the same way how it looks like on the previous phones as well, a bit of a gradiating design, and whenever you have some light projected on it, it might show that shiny dots on the back. After that, you see this travel adapter that comes with a 9V two-way output, and that's what we said as the dual engine fast charge technology, which Vivo calls it. And finally, there's this micro USB cable and the earphones with the microphone. So these are the accessories. Let's get back to the phone. This is the device with the 6.41-inch display, and it has a very good combination of the face unlock, which has that IR sensor for working in the lowest light conditions as well to unlock your phone, and there's that in-display fingerprint sensor on the front, which was present on the Vivo X21 as well as on the Vivo Nex, and on both it did work perfectly, but we are getting the newer generation on this one. It's the 4th gen in-display fingerprint sensor, and the registration was quite easy, and the unlocking as well is smooth and easy with those same animations. That's the 3 options for the animations while you try to unlock the device with your finger. And on the top is the 25MP camera with that slim line of earpiece grill. And on the right are the buttons, that's the power button as well as the volume rocker button. Towards the bottom is the micro USB port, the 3.5mm headset jack, the microphone as well as the speaker grill. On the left is the SIM tray where you'll find 3 slots, 2 for the SIM cards and 1 dedicated micro SD card slot for the storage expansion. On the top there's a secondary microphone for the noise cancellation. On the back of the device is that beautiful design and the branding for the Vivo as well as the dual lens camera combination with an LED flash. So that was the physical overview. The phone still seems comfortable enough to hold. Now into the interface, there are some pre-installed applications that you might anyway install once you buy the phone. So there's Facebook, PhonePe, Prime Video, Amazon Shopping, WhatsApp, and a few others as well. And in the settings, there are a lot of those customizable options and the gesture motion options. There are options such as even Smart Motion, Smart Split, one-handed mode, Screenshot, App Clone, and Smart Click. So there are multiple options that might make your user experience better. And if you see, there's that Jovi assistant as well. Now getting into the camera application, this phone comes with the 12+5 megapixel combination, and there are those options for the portrait mode. There's the AR stickers, which the company calls as Funmoji, and that works for both front and back cameras, and you don't need any external app here. The videos can be recorded with those emojis directly from the camera application. And if you see, for the front camera, there is that AI beauty mode, which works quite well. And for the video recording, the best videos that this can capture is at 1080p at 30 fps. So before we wrap up, these are the main features, or these are the things why this phone still feels one of the best in this price range under 30,000 rupees. Firstly, that Halo Full View display, where it's almost the entire screen that is covered with that display itself, a very narrow chin, mostly minimal bezels on the side, and on the top there's that notch only for the camera. Nothing else is present apart from that, so there's that notch which is almost not noticeable there. And the next one is the dual engine fast start technology, which helps in faster charging of the phone. And then the Qualcomm Snapdragon 660. The next one is that Qualcomm Snapdragon 660, which is said to have that artificial intelligence, and obviously the performance also should be good on that. And then about the camera, the part we missed about is that this comes with the dual pixel technology and also the dual PDAF, that's face detection autofocus, which works on both the cameras and helps in faster focusing. Also that dual pixel helps in a better light input on the pictures and makes the pictures brighter and better. And as said earlier, there's that IR face access or the face unlock, which helps unlock the phone even in the darkest of the conditions. Although I would still prefer that in-display fingerprint sensor, which works very well, and you don't have to look at how much brightness is around, and it also has those cool animations along with it. So this was all about the Vivo V11 Pro smartphone, the unboxing and the best features of this phone with the overview of the device. I hope you like this video, and if you do share and subscribe to Gizmo Times for more. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video.